All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, a Lionel Spectacular from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B. And in today's video, we're super excited to be bringing you guys along with us as we plant our baby red potatoes here in our garden. This is actually the first thing we're planting in our spring garden here, again in Grow Zone 8B. We had our soil turned a few days ago. It rained immediately after, and it rained a day or so after that. So our soil was a little wet when we got out here this morning to begin our planting process. We have a total of 6 rows turned out here in our field out here. We're taking the 2 middle rows of what we have turned here. We're going to plant our baby red potatoes here. I'm going to raise this camera up and show you guys the seed potatoes that we're using to plant our baby red potatoes out here. These potatoes don't look red, but trust me, they are red potatoes, or new potatoes, whichever one you want to call them. We purchased a 20-pound bag of these new potatoes, these baby red potatoes, to plant here in our garden. They gave us a tremendous amount of seed potatoes. And I'm going to raise this camera up and show you guys what our rows are looking like prior to us covering our potatoes with a slight amount of soil to begin the growth process out here in our field. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see that? Our rows here are about 50-yard rows. We're going down about 25 yards, about halfway down this field, as you guys can see. Take you guys along here and show you what our potatoes are looking like out here in our field. And again, these rows go down about 25 yards. The reason we only planted our potatoes about halfway down these rows is because the other end of those rows is kind of wet down there. It kind of stays wet even when it doesn't rain that much down here. So we didn't want to plant our potatoes down in a place where we knew the ground would be too moist to grow our potatoes without our crop rotting beneath the soil before we had an opportunity to harvest them. But again, Green Thumb Gardening family, our spring garden here, and the first thing we're planting here is our new potatoes, our baby red potatoes here. And we're super excited to have our garden officially started here in Grow Zone 8B. Again, this soil was a little wet this morning when we came out here to begin our planting process, so we're not going to cover our potatoes today. We're going to let them stay here in this soil, allow this soil to dry out for a day, and we'll come back sometime tomorrow afternoon and cover up our potatoes with about 1 inch or so of soil. Once they get up to about 6 to 7 inches, we'll pour soil around them, give them a little fertilizer, and let them go. Thanks for watching. If indeed you do currently find yourself watching this video on planting baby red potatoes in our spring garden, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, the notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, planting baby red potatoes in our spring garden here in Grow Zone 8B at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching.